Google's new AI feature rolled out across the US and is designed to make seeking information easier. When a user interacts with generative AI, Google and Bing interfaces take over and offer a far richer response to their question than they would on a standard search engine result page. But the new feature is facing criticism for its misleading responses, from telling users to use glue in their pizza recipe to suggesting eating one rock a day. Google AI has gone viral for its search errors. The company declared that it is taking swift action to eliminate some of the strange replies from the AI technology.